What's going on, guys? This is DragsterTV here, back at it again. And today, guys, we are on our way to a town about, what is it, about 3 hours away or so? Yep. So we're on our way to a town about 3 hours away, and we're picking up a new build, a new project. It's a two-seater go-kart. What is it again?
It is a 2006 Joyner Sand Devil, 250cc originally. It needs work. It's missing wheels and tires, seats, but it's a pretty good deal for everything that's still got on it. So yeah, so we're pretty happy about it. We're getting it for a decent price for everything that it does have on it. I believe it has an engine on it, but it's like blown or something, right? Yeah, so we're planning on. It's not blown, just needs a couple things, he says. It's in pretty decent shape. It doesn't need a lot of work to actually get running, but we're probably gonna do a motor swap. Right.
So yeah, we're planning on doing a motor swap. We don't know what motor yet. We have an old lawnmower that has about 724cc engine in it, and you know, that could be a good contender for it. But if not, then maybe a 670 would fit it, or something like that.
Street bike.
Yeah, maybe a street bike motor or something like that. So yeah, we're just on our way. I decided I'd make a quick little video about it, and I'll catch you guys when I get there.
Okay, so we're still about an hour and a half away from picking up the 2006 Joyner two-seater Sand Devil. We've been talking about what we're going to do, and we're not going to restore it. We're not going to use a Harbor Freight motor like a 670, which we were kind of thinking at first. What we're going to do is probably find a street bike motor or a snowmobile engine, you know, 600cc and up. 600cc would be really good, 750 maybe. That's what we're going to do. We're going to extend the suspension to a little bit more long travel, let it sit up a little taller, and change where the engine's mounted and stuff. So we've got a little bit of a plan together, so we know what to look for and look at when we get there.
Alright, so yep, we have the trailer behind us. We gotta mention that because we don't think it'll fit in the back of the truck. So yeah, should be good. And as he said, about another hour and a half of driving till we hit our destination. Without, catch you guys as soon as we get there. It is on the trailer. Look at this place, guys. Look at all the go-karts. It's pretty awesome. It's got rack and pinion steering on it. It's got original motor. You know, a couple things need rebuilt on it. Other than that, the motor does work. So it's just a quick look over of it.
Go ahead and just, you can just try to feel how light it is. I mean, and just, no big deal.
Joyner right there.
If that was whatever that is, 3/4,
yeah,
that'd be way better.
Well, you got all this metal, 360 degrees, and all that.
Should turn out pretty nice. Show you guys the steering. Here it is. That's full turn. And that's full turn to the right. It's pretty nice. So it steers really nicely. You know, pedals work really nicely. Throttle cable is messed up, but brakes work still. And yeah, so it's a pretty cool little machine. Guys, we're now on our way back home. We have the Joyner buggy in the back. So I'll catch you guys when we get home. How many hours of drive is it?
2.5 to 3, we'll be home.
Alright, sweet. So, yeah, the first day of school for me is tomorrow, so I don't think we're going to be doing too much work on it tomorrow, but, or tomorrow in particular, oh, tonight, sorry, and tomorrow in particular. But yeah, guys, catch you guys when we get home. Guys, so we've just gone ahead and made it home. So far, all we've really done to the roll cage, since, you know, it's just sitting on the trailer for right now, all we've done is just ripped off this foam stuff and the little thing that goes around it and whatnot, keeps it in place, besides from all the zip ties. They actually hold in a lot of moisture, as you guys can see all the rust on that side, so that's why we decided to rip it off, and also just so we can, you know, repaint it, sand everything, and for the full, it's not going to be full restoration, but obviously we're going to want it to look pretty nice. I've already given you guys pretty much a full look over of it, so here's one last one before part 2. This is already falling apart, stuff like that right here, oops, and whatnot. So, you know, we're gonna do just some stuff on it tonight, but nothing too major. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you have an amazing rest of guys' day or night. And with that, catch you guys very, very soon. I need to make sure these fans work. Yeah, they do. In the next one.